Hi, Peanut. What you doing? Did you find your jersey? Did you take it off? How big are you? So big. Can you say Dada? Can you say uh-oh? Uh-oh. Can you say Mama? Oh, you're gonna bonk your head. Stand up like a big girl. You can do it. Uh-oh. Madison, how big are you? So big. Whoa! You almost lost your balance. Stand up. How big are you? How big are you? Here. Let's go over here. Stand up. Oh, pick you up and move you over here. Here, stand up. What's this? Is that your toy? Is that your toy? How big is Madison? So big. You're not going to show everybody how you can walk? No, I want to play with this. Does your butt smell good, Bob? Where are you going, Peanut? Hey, Madison. Uh-oh. She's going to go get lost back there. Oh, yeah, she climbs around all the chairs. What are you doing? Peekaboo! Madison, how big are you? So big. Can you say Mama? How about uh-oh? Say uh-oh. Hi, Madison. Madison. What are you doing? What? How big are you? How big are you? So big. Say Mama. No, Mama. Ma. Mama. You're naughty. Madison, can you say Mama? Uh-oh. Say, what? Say uh-oh. Bob. Abby. Mama. Dada. Alright. She's not going to say Mama for you. Can never get it on tape. The other morning, she was in her crib yelling, Mama, Mama. I walked in and she said, Dada. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Madison. Hey. There, now you fit. Come on. She just wants the camera. Madison, say Mama. Uh-oh. Mama. How big are you? So big. Madison. Hey, Pikachu. Mad Dog, 2020. How big are you? So big. Watch your noggin. Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Wave bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No, I'm not.